Genesis from 49. There was something that was very profound there. When you see the Bible speak about God of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob, it's not because of anything, but these were men that actually initiated a covenant with him. Apart from this man, nobody ever did. And the covenant they initiate was hinged upon the strength of a scepter. And from that they can pass it anytime they want to die. And that was what Abraham passed it up to Isaac. Isaac passed it up to Jacob. And when Jacob was about to die, he realized that he did not only have a firstborn, he has many sons. And all of them are covenanted by God. It's a challenge. I told you that the scepter is different from the crown, because the crown will select a king. But when everybody has to be a king, just like the way the scripture says, all of us are kings under a king. So it is now the scepter that will determine the definition of the blueprint of the ordination of each king. So it's not as though Jacob was selected and Esau does not have any inheritance. It's not as though God, Abel was selected and Cain has nothing. But in this one, each and every one of the sons of Jacob actually is selected to be a king to rule a territory. Because each and every sons of Jacob actually became a tribe. From the tribe they became a nation. From the nation they became a kingdom. And do you see, even if you travel the book of Revelation, they are part of the foundation and the gate of the New Jerusalem will be entering to rule. So these men were kings, but they had a scepter. And anybody that was entering to the New Jerusalem, they do heaven and earth, you want to enter, they must follow through their scepter. So if you don't understand the apostolic and the prophetic scepters that was upon the 12 tribe of Israel and the foundation of the 12 apostles, there are many apostles today, but each and every one of us is a product of the journey of 12 apostles that walked with Jesus, including Paul. There was a scepter that was given to those people. Without them, the Holy Ghost would not have come upon the face of the earth. They wield the first apostolic scepter. And all of us is a result of their obedience yielding to that scepter of authority. The same way, there may be so many things going on in the prophetic corridors, but it was because of the strength of the blueprint of the prophetic definition upon the 12th tribe of Israel. And I told you, when Jacob was about to die, he discovered that he asked all his children are kings. And it went through wars, because even Joseph gave birth to 2 more kings again, Ephraim and Manasseh. So the children that was born to a woman you call illegitimate, a woman that you may think that was not part of it, you were also part of it. Because it was not only Rachel that gave birth, the sons of Leah too actually are kings. Each and every one of them have an ordination in God hidden in the scepter. So what God did was to distribute their powers in their father. So when he was about to die in Genesis 49, he sat upon his scepter and he began to administer unto them their definition. Why? All through their life, all of them will not know what they are doing. Why? Because they do not have with the scepter. So at that moment, he began to gather my sons. Because now they have gone on to maturity as sons. Let me tell you what will befall of you in time to come. But what he was trying to do was to activate them into the full functionality of that which they are called to do. So he looked upon Reuben. Yet, Reuben, he said, Reuben, thou art the excellency of my strength, my beginning of my strength and my might. But you will never excel and never prosper, because why? As unstable as waters. You have went to my couch and defiled my bed. When you look at Reuben, he calls him and said, let Reuben do not prosper. Not because God did not want Reuben to prosper, because God had ordained Reuben to be a tribe and a king ruling a nation. But his father, because of the anger, he decided that the scepter of Reuben never have light. And because of that, it is the same way that you see when Judas betrayed Jesus, it was written that let his bishop be taken away, let another take his place. Why? Because you may be ordained with a scepter. When it's taken away, even if you are a king, you'll be kingless. It is to that intent that he went further to begin to speak about Judah. If you read that one, you discover the ordinations. He said Judah for Judah. He said the scepter will not depart from Judah, neither a lawgiver within his feet, until Shiloh comes. What he was trying to do was to entrust Judah as the senior. It was out of the benevolence of the father. Just as the way Jacob loved Joseph, he decided that Judah should be the firstborn, although he was not. And because of that proclamation, he ensured that Jesus Christ was born from the tribe of Jesse and come from Judah. It was because of the scepter. I told you, Everybody can be ordained a king, but them that wield the scepter have the eternal relevance. And even among them, others can be entrusted ahead of others. Why? Because of the symbol of the destiny or the scepter of that ownership. And he looked upon him and he cursed him. But one thing I want you to understand is this: when he went further to the book of Deuteronomy, when Moses began to write laws, there was something that Moses did that I love him. Moses went further and he began to speak. The Bible said these were the blessings in the book of Deuteronomy. These are the blessings that Moses blessed when Moses was about to die. He hitched upon the scepter. Mind you, Moses is the definition of the law. Is that not true? Everything that God written as a law was because of Moses. Prophet was a ram upon Elijah. There are so many prophets. Where Elijah is the sum total upon their definition. The scepter of the prophetic is upon Elijah. The scepter of the law is upon Moses. When Moses sit down, he looked at the laws of God. He discovered that actually Reuben was not supposed to die. Reuben was supposed to live. So Moses came and he said, let Reuben live and not him die. He restored back the scepter of Reuben. He said, I know that your father might have been angry with you and he decided that your generation is taken away from the limelight. But because I changed through the code of the ordination and I stand as a priest, as the ordination of the laws of God, if God has written law through me, mind you, do you realize that there are more than 10 commandments in scripture? Some of them it was Moses that wrote them, and you are breaking many of them. We live because Jesus Christ said, let us not die, but we should live. Why? Because Jesus came with another scepter. The Bible says you sit upon the scepter of Melchizedek, and you can break many laws of Moses and you still live. Why? Because a greater scepter speaks. So as Moses can, he said, let Reuben live and not die. From that very moment, everything that Reuben did was banished away, and another law was written. From that moment, Reuben began to bear relevance. Why? Because his scepter of rulership was restored. Can you rise on your feet? I don't know what cost you, but you must break through. I don't know what has cost you, and it doesn't matter how your voice has not been heard. It's because a scepter is lost. Now Isaiah has been, I don't know, maybe he has been a drunkard before. Maybe he has followed ladies before. I don't know, Jeff to Sunday might have followed ladies before. Joshua Sama might have been a bad boy before. I don't know, Simon might have been a bad boy before. I don't know about people that have been a bad boy before. The scepter was not there. But one day, they look upon and they say, I will not die. I must live. When they restore the scepter, we became kings. Can you pray and say, God, I don't know who has caused you. I don't know how your scepter has not been hard. But right now, let that scepter be restored. Let that scepter be restored. Let that scepter be restored. That you may break through. That you may break through. That you may break through. Open your mouth and begin to come. Well, then let's get this. Maybe your mother has cursed you. Maybe your mother has cursed you. Maybe your friend has cursed you. Maybe your someone has cursed you. I don't know how it means, but I say you should leave. I said because of the want of time we can't ascend, no. But I want us to pray another prayer point. In the book of Joel 2:25, the Bible says, and I will restore to you the years that the locust has eaten, the cankerworm and the caterpillars and the palmer worms, my great army which I sent among you. And I shall, and ye shall eat in plenty and be satisfied. And praise the Lord your God that has dealt wonders with you. And my people shall never be ashamed. When the Lord restores our scepter, the shame and the reproach is taken away. Can we pray in 1 more minute again and say, oh God, restore unto me my years, that the cankerworms, the caterpillars, the palmer worms, everything I have lost in that past, restore it unto me. My seasons in the spirit, my journey in God, please restore to me my virginity, restore to me my business, restore to me my health, restore to me everything that concerns me. Thank you, Lord Jesus. We cannot go beyond this limit because of the want of time. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth, today being the first day of the conference, I decree and I declare that everything that you have hitherto lost in time past, before the end of this convergence starting from today, let it be restored to you 1,000-fold. I decree and I declare that all that you have lost, may the Lord restore. The Bible says when the thief is caught, he will restore back 7 times. Yes. In the name of Jesus Christ of Nazareth. I don't know what the devil has come to steal and kill and destroy in your life, but I decree and I declare, let them be restored in the name of Jesus. I ask for today, let your health be restored. Let your business be restored. Let your relationship be restored. Let everything that concerns you be restored. I decree and I declare that from today, your going out and your coming in is blessed. May your voice be heard. I decree that may your scepter of rulership be restored. Any of you that have been no one in your family that have achieved anything, in the name of Jesus, let that scepter of greatness be restored in the name of Jesus. I ask that may you pray toward all sides. Everything you lay your hands to do, may it prosper. From today, that open door that you need, let it be open for you in the name of Jesus. I ask that from today, the required grace needed for you to be lifted. Let that grace be released upon you.
Amen.
And the choir anointing needed for you to rise. Let it be supplied for you in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
Many of you have had tremendous encounters with God before, but you have lost it. And stop back your passion for God. And stop back your seed for God. And stop back your praying grace.
Amen.
The ability to fast, the ability to pray, the ability to stop and stop in the name of Jesus. Many of you used to dream before and function in the prophetic, high level prophetic. I don't know which gifting of the spirit has stopped functioning in your life, but in the name of Jesus, because of this convergence and this conference, I decree a breakthrough for you in the name of Jesus. Father, we break for the north side in the name of Jesus.
Amen.
God strengthen you, the Lord keep you,
Amen.
God guide you.
Amen.
Jesus' mighty name I pray.
Amen.
Amen and amen. So only when you want to pray, I hope you can talk. Give us shout to the Lord. Give us shout to the Lord. Give us shout to the Lord. Said the Spirit. How we just think of that is spoken as a Spirit, hear the voice of my heart. Pray to the Father. Spirit, pray. Pray to the Father. God help me to tell you. He said that there is a restoration upon your life. And one of the restoration is that he said, I have now made you a priest over the family. He said that what you speak now, that I will do over the family. He said that what your dad could not do, he said that is what you will complete. And he said you are going to be, he said you are going to do big and greater. And according to the voice of God, he said to me to tell you that he has given you, he said, an energy that you will stand. He said the reason for the energy is because there was a time in your life you climb and you go down. He said the reason is because there is not enough energy. But now because he ordained you and there is a restoration, he said to me to tell you that that ordination will give you energy so that you will stand. Instead of going back, you will be pushing up. Though there are mountains to climb, but there is energy available for that journey, says the Spirit of God. Can we give a shout to the Lord now? Just wave your hands to God. We give you glory, we give you honor for what you have done. We give you glory, oh, we give you glory. We give you honor for what you have done. For what you have done, oh. We give you glory. We give you honor for what you have done. For what you have done, oh. We give you glory. We give you honor for what you have done. Hallelujah. I'm not going to waste time again. All the men of God will just come and make the